Are you ready to join the YouTube Shorts revolution? We all know that the fastest way to grow our YouTube channel is by uploading shorts. YouTube Shorts are short videos that you can create and share on YouTube, and they are taking the world by storm. Millions of people are watching and making YouTube Shorts every day, and some of them are even earning money from it. How cool is that? In this video, I will also show you how you can make long YouTube video just by typing its title. For instance, this is a YouTube channel with short videos in the top 10 niche. This channel has got over 100k subscribers. Now if we go to Social Blade, we can see that this channel was created in 2021, and it earns approximately over $1,000 each month, with only less than 200 uploads. Here is another YouTube channel which contains short videos in the animal niche. If we go to Social Blade to check their earnings, we can see that the channel has over 300k subscribers. It was created on September 2022, and it has estimated earnings over $2,000. If you want to create a channel just like these, don't worry, I got you. Let me show you how it's done. Well, there is a secret weapon that can help you with that. You don't have to use any editing software or learn how to add subtitles in the video. You also don't have to use ChatGPT to generate the scripts for you. This tool will do everything for you, and it will save you a lot of time. The tool that I'm talking about is called Fliki.ai. Fliki.ai is an amazing online platform that uses artificial intelligence to help you create stunning YouTube shorts in minutes. You don't need any editing skills or expensive software. All you need is Fliki.ai. Link to the official website of Fliki.ai is present in the description below. Head over to the description and click on the link to get there. You can choose from hundreds of templates, customize them with your own images, text, music, and voiceover, and export them to YouTube with one click. It's that easy. Fliki.ai will make your YouTube shorts look professional and engaging, and help you grow your channel faster than ever, and it's super easy to use. In this video, I will show you how to use Fliki.ai to create your first 2 YouTube short videos. Let's dive in. First, go to the official website of Fliki.ai. Click New File, now give it a name, and choose your preferred language. After that, click Submit. You have a variety of options to choose from, but if you want an AI-generated video, then click on Convert. You will see this page. Here you have to click on Convert, and then click on Idea to Video. Now enter the topic of video. The AI will automatically generate a video for you. For example, 3 internet facts that you did not know about. Now select the short option and then choose the preferred style of video, and now click the Submit button. As you can see, Fliki.ai is generating a video for us. Fliki.ai will automatically write the script for us, and it also adds the matching video clips in addition to the voiceover. Its quality is very good, and it is very accurate. After the video has been generated, you can also choose the background music. You have a variety of options to choose from. You can also change the text if you want, and the text for a specific scene can also be changed. If you want to change something said in the video, you simply need to change the text which is written in the boxes, and the voiceover will automatically be changed. In the first scene, the narrator is talking about internet. If you want to change the clip, change it to something that matches. For example, a clip of Google's website. Here, we have a variety of options to choose from. You can edit the video as you like, or you can also just leave it. After finalizing the video, click on Settings and change the aspect ratio to Portrait, then click Save. Now, if you want to create a loop in your short, you can try this. There is a loop almost in every famous YouTube short video. When there is a loop in a short video, the end and the beginning match with each other, which makes the video more engaging and satisfying. After doing all the settings, click on the download button to download your short. You can also close this tab to generate other videos, and Fliki.ai will notify you when the video is completed by sending you an email. To create your second short, click New File, give it a name, and click Submit. you will see this page. Here you have to click on Convert, and then click on Idea to Video. Enter your idea here, select the preferred style, and then click Submit. Fliki.ai will automatically generate the second video for you. As you can see, Fliki.ai is generating a video for us. Fliki.ai will automatically write the script for us, and it also add the matching video clips in addition to the voiceover. Its quality is very good, and it is very accurate. You can also change the sequence of the scenes as I am doing here. To change the sequence of the scenes, just click on a scene, click on More. Now if you want to move the scene upwards, then click on Move Up button, and if you want to move the scene downwards, then click on Move Down button. After your video has been generated, you can edit it if you want, and you can change the sequence of the scenes, as I just did here. You can also change the voiceover. To change the voiceover, click here and then choose the voice that you like.
Fliki helps you create audio and video content using lifelike AI voices in less than a minute.
Fliki helps you create audio and video content using lifelike AI voices in less than a minute.
For now, I am choosing this voice as it looks good to me. After selecting the voiceover, click Apply to All. Now go to Settings and change the aspect ratio to Portrait. You can also add subtitles to your video if you want from here. You can choose the position of the subtitles, and the text can also be changed. After completing all the settings, download the final video. You can also generate long videos for your YouTube channel. To do it, just select the long option and submit your idea. This AI tool will generate a video for you. As you can see, Fliki.ai is generating a video for us. Fliki.ai will automatically write the script for us, and it also add the matching video clips in addition to the voiceover. Its quality is very good, and it is very accurate. If you are generating a long YouTube video, then you will have to change the aspect ratio. To do this, go to the settings and change the aspect ratio to landscape. Now click Save, place subtitles on your preferred location, and then click Download. Here is the first video that I have generated through this AI tool.
Five most beautiful countries you must visit. Experience magic. Wander through the romantic vineyards of Italy, where history and culture bloom. Now, fly to Switzerland, the land of picturesque alpine landscapes and mesmerizing lakes. Journey next to Australia, where wild kangaroos roam and vibrant coral reefs flourish. Venture into Japan, a harmonious blend of ancient traditions and futuristic cities. Lastly, explore New Zealand's untouched wilderness, stunning fjords, and magical glowworm caves. 5 countries, countless memories. Start your dream journey today.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content on YouTube Shorts and other fantastic tools to boost your online presence. Also, feel free to share your experience with Fliki.ai in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you again for watching, and until next time, happy creating and best of luck with your YouTube Shorts revolution.